Good day everyone, my name is Swati Anjali, daughter of Marimutu. My metric number is 10 DLS 19F1306 from class DLS 4A. So today we are going to present our business plan to everyone. So now I'm going to introduce the name of the business, Yamide Cake, and I'm presenting you now the business address and business telephone. They are other than two owners than me, called Nurain Shazana and Nurain Binti Idris. Going into executive summary. Yamide Cake is a new bakery specializing in fruit-flavored cheesecake and other varieties of cake. Within the last years, there has been significant increases in demand for these products. Malaysian people has increased their fond on cheesecake, therefore we decided to take up this business. The first group of the wide range of exciting products that we offer is fruit-flavored cheesecake. We also offer premium meat brownies and moist chocolate cake. And lastly, egg-free, custom-made virgin butter cakes. As you all know the name of the company and the nature of business, so we are going directly into industry profile. Yamide Cake are a start-up specialty as a homemade bakery shop launched in December 2020 near Ipoh City. This bakery will serve a variety of cakes and pastries surrounding in local community district. All our products are prepared fresh every day with locally grown ingredients. Location of business. Date of commencement 24 January 2020. Factors of selecting the proposed venture. There's a huge liking of cheesecake among Malaysians nowadays, especially fruit flavored such as mango, strawberry and blueberry. Future prospect of business is to establish a working storefront in our Yamide Cake Bakery, to develop the strong presence in our community near the support sales goals, to develop a full menu by the end of the second quarter. Our purpose for our Yamide Cake aims to be a cornerstone in the community and creating a neighborhood atmosphere where customers feel comfortable become instant regular as we are a homemade bakery shop. The obtaining work capital for our Yamide Cake is 50,000 ringgit from Mara. Our business guideline: to be the best friendly neighborhood bakery with a vision to become the reference for the best cake around, which is our neighbor to gather and celebrate all their lifetime events or just in the mood to have a sweet treat. Now, I'm presenting you the SWOT analysis for a clear guideline. Our plans for a new product development is freshly prepared sandwiches, salads and soup, beverages, special orders like catering for parties and wedding cake. Presenting you the name of the company background. The name of the business, Yamide Cake. Business address, correspondent address 61 Pesiaran Hulu Bercam 6, Bandar Baru Putra, Bercam 31400 Ipoh Perak. Telephone fax number, email address. Forms of business ownership is partnership, core business activities, selling cakes and pastries. Date of business commencement, date of business registration number 147600. Starting capital 20,000 ringgit. Name of the bank, Maybank. Bank account number 1582206366500. The backgrounds of the owners and partners background. Name of the partners, Swati Anjali, anak perempuan Marimutu. Market identification card number, birth date, age, gender, owner permanent address, telephone number, marital status, academic qualification, degree in culinary arts and Academy of Pastry Arts Malaysia, courses attended, cake decorator, baker's handler license course, skills, experience, present occupation and capital computation.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurain Shazana binti Muhammad Nisizam, number metric 10 DRS 19F1005. I will explain about the partners background of our business. For your information, we have two partners. The first one is Nurain Shazana binti Muhammad Nisizam, and this is the details of our partners. The second one is Nurain binti Idris, and this is also the details of our partners. Next is management plan. We have our mission and visions. Our mission is to provide our customers with family recipes with a modern twist to satisfy the taste buds of the previous, current and the future generations with a dash of excellence, a pinch of quality and a scoop of creativity by a team of passionate individuals. We maintain a friendly, creative and fair working environment that welcomes diversity, hard work and new ideas. We intend to generate profit to provide a fair return for our investors and to expand the business into other surrounding communities. Our vision is to be the best cake shop in neighborhood and can be a guide for cake lover to make a cake all over the area and can be the main dessert to celebrate all the activities of their life or just to enjoy a delicious dessert. This is the objective of our business. Next, ni adalah map untuk menunjukkan di mana lokasi perniagaan kami. Kami bertempat di alamat 3038 Kampung Datuk Ahmad Said Tambahan 2 Jelapang, 320 Ipoh Perak. Basic amenities ni kemudahan yang ada di sekitar kawasan kami beroperasi. Yang pertama, Perak Polis Jalan Ahmad Ampang, 99 Speedmart 1886 PK Jelapang dan Jelapang Market. Seterusnya adalah manpower planning and chart ataupun structure. Kita ada manager ataupun owner untuk bisnes ni dan dia terbahagi kepada 3 bahagian. Ada bahagian management, marketing dan operation. Untuk bahagian management ada manager, bakery supervisor dan financial manager. Marketing ada marketing manager, social media manager dan advertising manager. Dan bahagian operations ada operation manager, baker, assistant baker, cake decorator dan cashier. Position di bawah ni menunjukkan jawatan yang ada di bawah management. Kesemua jawatan ni hanya mempunyai seorang pekerja. So this is the job description, job specifications for the positions. Job specification ni menunjukkan tugas-tugas yang perlu dijalankan bagi setiap jawatan. Seterusnya adalah salary and remuneration. Untuk manager, keseluruhan campur EPF dan susu adalah RM3,921.15. Financial Manager RM2,737.25 dan Bakery Supervisor RM2,518.25. Office Equipment and Supplies, ini adalah equipment atau peralatan yang kami perlukan di dalam office, keseluruhannya berharga RM10,566. Seterusnya adalah Organisation Expenditure. Ini adalah keseluruhan yang kami gunakan untuk bahagian management. Untuk fixed asset RM20,566, monthly expenses RM18,476.65, untuk other expenses RM860.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Noor binti Idris, nombor matric 10 JLS 1F1007. I will explain about marketing plan in our business plan. For Yummy Decades, we'll focus in cheesecake effort, but slowly develop new products. Then we use multiple methods to ensure product quality. Use fresh ingredients for our product in our business. As you can see, we have so many type of cake. The best seller of cake that we sell is mango cheesecake, brownies, and burnt cheesecake. For target market, Yummy Decade potential target marketers nearest our bakery is Pak Yus Roti Joint, Chinese Noodle Primary School, The Salvation Army Perak Care Center. For competitors, Yummy Decade are not the only one for business in Ipoh City. So these are the 3 competitors that are doing business same as us. As you can see, this is our competitor Witness. Diva Cake Witness do not have variety of product compared to us. Rumi Cake Witness is about their location and not offer delivery service compared to us. Ash Cake House Witness, the pricing of their cake is expensive there compared to us. For market share, this is our competitors and our business percentage of market share before entrance and after entrance. This is our sales forecast of our business plan from January to December. So the total for year 1 is 1,060,000, and for the total for year 2 and for year 3 increase 10%.
Think about product strategy. At Yummy Cakes, we sell various types of cake that have an appetizing and interesting design such as mango cheesecake, chocolate moist cake, and other that are decorated using a variety of delicious toppings. At Yummy Cakes, we also offer great packaging for every cake sold. This packaging is to prevent the cake from being damaged when it reaches the customer's hands. Is promotion. For example, our store posts a few videos online that illustrate and making of deliciously baked product in our store. This can drive the number of customers to visit our stores and buy the product which they saw in the video. Next is price strategy. The price in our store can sometimes be higher or cheaper depending on the cost to make the cake than other stores because the costs incurred by the product for the cake have to reimburse to make a profit. We will provide brownies in addition. For customers that buy any cakes from Yummy Day Cake store for any events, you get extra mini cupcake plus any toppings such as Kit Kat or Cadbury. The last strategy is distribution strategy. We have a one marketing manager, one social media manager, and advertising management. Marketing manager responsible for developing and maintaining marketing strategies to meet agreed company objectives. Social media manager develops social media marketing campaigns. Advertising manager collaborating with clients to determine the goals of advertising projects and strategic plans to meet the company's goal. The salary and remuneration. Marketing manager, social manager, and advertising management. Expenditure for cost of fixed asset, monthly expenses, and other expenses.
Now, I will explain about the operational plan of our business. Seterusnya adalah operational flowchart. Operational flowchart yang menunjukkan dari mula-mula pekerja order dari kami sehinggalah proses pembuatan dan yang terakhir kami hantar produk kepada pelanggan. Seterusnya adalah manpower planning. Manpower planning ini menunjukkan setiap positions ataupun jawatan dalam operational planning. Setiap jawatan hanya mempunyai satu pekerja sahaja. The next is job specifications. Job specifications untuk ke semua jawatan dalam operational planning. Job specification ni adalah menunjukkan tugas-tugas ataupun perkara-perkara yang dilakukan oleh setiap jawatan. Seterusnya adalah salary and remuneration. Untuk operation manager termasuk APF dan SOSO keseluruhannya adalah RM2,737.25. Baker RM2,518.25. Assistant Baker RM2,189.75. Cake Decorator RM2,518.25. Cashier RM1,970.75. Seterusnya ada machine and equipment. Machine and equipment ni adalah mesin-mesin dan bahan-bahan ataupun peralatan-peralatan yang kami perlukan untuk membuat produk kami. Keseluruhan harga untuk mesin dan equipment adalah RM31,988.77. Seterusnya, ini adalah supplier-supplier kami iaitu Murni Machinery, CKE Holding Sdn Bhd, Berjaya Steel Product Sdn Bhd dan Divine Design Sdn Bhd. Kebanyakan supplier kami ni adalah dari Kuala Lumpur, hanya Divine Design Sdn Bhd dari Selangor. Seterusnya adalah production schedule. Yang pertama daily productions, sekurang-kurangnya 55 unit kek terjual dalam 1 bulan. Untuk sehari sekurang-kurangnya 5 kek. Hourly productions 10 jam, 7 kek per hour. Business hour untuk Isnin sampai Khamis kami buka dari 9 am sampai 5 pm. Tapi untuk hari Jumaat sehingga Ahad kami tutup.
Material requirement of our business online. This is our imported item that we use in our business. This is chocolate flour, cake flour, textile cheese. Our supplier is 99 Speedmite. Then Mary cookies, sugar, baking soda or powder, butter. Our supplier is grocery store. And lastly fruit from fruit shop. This is our operational layout for Yummy Day Cake Bakery. Seperti yang kita lihat di sini pintu utama dan juga pintu keluar kepada pelanggan. Dan sitting area, ruangan pelanggan menunggu. Di sebelah kiri, table sitting area, ruangan pelanggan makan di bakery kami, dan sinki. Lepas itu, kek display rack dan glass filler cake showcase. Ruangan mempamerkan kek yang disediakan oleh bakery kami. Di tengah-tengah, kaunter, di sebelah kaunter display. Ruangan kami mempamerkan cookies and cupcakes. Di belakang ada storage, office and bakery kitchen. This is our emergency door jika berlaku sebarang kecemasan. Then operational overhead. The importance of our bakery is water, electricity, gas facilities and advertising expenses. Operational budget untuk this cost total amount RM31,988.77 sen. Monthly expenses RM13,544.75. Untuk ada expenses RM14,865. Then untuk financial plan of our business plan is total capital expenditure projection of fixed assets RM79,422. Then total pre-operation and working capital expenditure RM71,597. Annual increase year 2, year 3 10%. Tax rate year 1 until year 3 is 25%. Then this is the projection of our business. Total 2020 $1,060,000. For total year 2021, total 2022 increase 10%. This is our ending inventory of raw material. And then this is purchase projection. For total tahun 2020, RM173,545. Untuk tahun seterusnya meningkat 10%. This is our ending inventory of finished goods.
I'm going to introduce the project implementation cost table and sources of project financing, loan amortization schedules, hire purchase schedules, depreciation of fixed assets, pro forma cash flow statement, pro forma income statement, and lastly, pro forma balance sheet.
Terusnya, financial performance. Ni menunjukkan financial ratio analysis bagi bisnes kami. Dan di sini menunjukkan graf financial performance. Kita dapat tengok ada yang menaik, ada yang menurun dan ada yang kekal. So kita dapat tengoklah dekat sini graf financial performance. Seterusnya, time to break even less than 1 year. Payback period for startup fund less than 1 year. Total project cost 153,641. Untuk sources of funding, keseluruhan bagi cash, existing fixed assets, loan, hire purchase, keseluruhannya adalah 84,785. Cash balance tahun 2020 445,900, 2021 439,924, 2022 482,659. Honest equity accumulated yang dikumpulkan untuk tahun 2020 390,856, 2021 824,068, 2022 1305,428. Net income before tax tahun 2020 388,233, 2021 433,212, 2022 481,360. Total asset dan liabilities yang telah dikumpulkan tahun 2020, aset 536,889, liabilities 77177, 2021 aset 963,848, liabilities 70924, tahun 2022 aset 1439,055, liabilities 64770. Estimated monthly loan payment RM736 per month. Estimated monthly hire purchase payment RM311 per month. Conclusion, Yummy Day Cake has recently experienced very fast growth within the year. Despite high competition in the current area, Yummy Day Cake still be located at a place where customers can enjoy delicious gourmet bakery. Yummy Day Cake will eventually succeed by offering consumers high-quality premium cakes with personal service at a reasonable price. Main objective of Yummy Day Cake is to give the best quality of products and services to its customers.